What's up YouTube? It's Matthew here once again with another video, and in today's video we will be talking about why you should start your print on demand right now before it's too late in 2018. Before this year ends, you have to start it now. Now before we go on, be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video because I'll be posting every single day about different print on demand methods and scalabilities that you can use in your business. I'll be going over Facebook ads, different designs, how to find winning designs, and things like that. So why should you start your print on demand business right now? Now, the number one reason you should start right now is because people are getting tired of having inventory, having storage, and shipping out products themselves. And people are getting tired of the Shopify dropshipping method where it takes 3 to 4 weeks for their customers to receive their products. Now, if some of you all are familiar with dropshipping is very similar to print on demand where you don't have to hold inventory, you don't have to ship out products yourself. However, they're shipping products from another country, usually in China and Asia. And so it takes 3 to 4 weeks for the customer to receive it. And a lot of people are getting tired of that. A lot of owners of those businesses are seeing that they're losing customers because everything is quicker now. People are used to Amazon Prime. People are used to 2-day shipping. And so they're losing their customer base because people are waiting 4 weeks to receive like a t-shirt or like a phone case when they can just order it from Amazon. And they're just losing that brand. And so many people are now moving into that niche of print on demand. And so that's another big reason why you should start right now before the rush comes in. Because there's different stats about how much they've been growing, print on demand. And so print on demand, dropshipping is dying and print on demand is growing. So that's one reason. Another reason, reason number two, is that right now, 2018 is going to be the biggest holiday shopping event ever. Every year it grows, right? And so this year is going to be even more extreme, more bigger. You have Cyber Monday, you have Black Friday, you have Thanksgiving sales, you have day before Christmas sales, you have Christmas sales, New Year's sales. And so right now in August, this is the perfect time where you can learn as much as you can about print on demand by subscribing to this channel, watching the videos, the different tutorials, and just learn as much in August and September so you can get ready for this fourth quarter starting October 1st, because it's going to be a big one. So that's another big reason why you should start right now, because fourth quarter is like when most e-commerce makes most of their money. Like there's so many e-commerce business that makes over 80% of the revenue for the year in November alone. Not only the fourth quarter, but in the month of November alone. Now, the third reason why you should start your print on demand business right now is because it's growing. Print on demand is growing, period. You can't hide the facts. I was reading something about Printful. Hopefully I can show up a screenshot somewhere on the screen showing how many products they've been selling since they started back in 2013. They sold over 4.3 million products on their store, and every single year they've been growing. They released their stats about how much they grew last year. They grew over 275,000 new downloads for their apps on the Shopify platform. That's amazing. That's crazy. And they released stats of how big their sales were for people selling through the print on demand app. And Cyber Monday last year was their biggest day ever. So that goes back to why you should start right now, because fourth quarter and Cyber Monday, but print on demand is growing. You see the stats from Printful, they're growing. So that's 3 reasons why you need to start your print on demand business right now. It's so evident for you all. I hope you all can see the opportunity to start, right? And you may think, oh, I don't know which designs. Sell what works. Don't be attached to any design, no niche. What you want freedom. You want financial freedom. Okay, and so you need to start somewhere. And so Print on demand is a great opportunity because dropshipping is dying and people are moving to print on demand because fourth quarter is coming. You have Cyber Monday, all these deals in November, and then print on demand is growing. You can see the stats, research them yourself. So be sure to subscribe to this channel as I show you all different methods, different tutorials, how to set up Facebook ads, how to find winning designs for your print on demand, which print on demand app is the best, and different things like that. All right, thank you all so much. Subscribe, like this video, comment down below. All right, thanks.